I've had the honor of having Signature wheels since 2010, and I'm super grateful to have Signature wheels through Envy and had these for over 4 years. It takes some time to design the quality of the wheel. The right compound, the right core, the right material, the right size, and with a little bit of imagination, there's endless possibilities. And my current Signature wheel through Envy looks like this. Now, in the past 2 years, there's been a few wheels that started to look really close. And for anybody who tries to copy you at something, it's almost more flattering. But recently, I've been seeing so many replicas that I had to see them for myself. And the last time I was at Walmart, I saw a wheel on a complete screw that generally has the same idea. I think I've counted over 10 wheels that I've seen from different companies that followed my design of having a two-tone wheel. Two-tone wheel, hollow core. It's not like I own the idea of a two-tone wheel, but I did it first. There were a few reasons why I did it in the first place. One, it looks cool when it rolls. It has that flashing effect. Two, I always had a hard time straightening my wheels. If I had a black wheel and black floor, I couldn't tell if it was straight. If I had a white wheel and white floor, I couldn't tell if it was straight. So if you, depending on what floor background you have, you can line up the color of the urethane and straighten your wheel. And also having a full core might not be the lightest, but it gives you a chance to really put some cool graphics on there, as I did with the New York City skyline. Listen, I'm not mad that someone copied the wheel. I'm just curious. Did you get it from me? Did you get the idea from me? I mean, it's obvious. That's all I want to say. Next 2 months are going to be very tough because I got a lot planned. This week I'll be planning the Flat Ride Day where I'll be giving away a bunch of stuff, including a custom Prodigy Complete designed for Flatland, happening somewhere in North Carolina, Chapel Hill, Apex area. You'll know very soon. You'll know this week. Posting new videos every day, so you subscribe, you'll be the first to see them, so make sure you do. And lastly, the biggest news on this channel in history. I said it once before, but you'll know soon enough. This is the biggest thing to ever happen on the channel. Everybody's gonna be like, what the? And for those who are just tuning in, you're gonna go, what the? You're gonna be very excited. It's a good thing, it's a positive thing, it's just, you would have never guessed. As far as my SIG wheels, there are plenty of fans. I wanna call the other wheels fans of my wheel just because this did come out first. But it's fine, it's cool, I like the idea. The two-tone color, just, it needs to stay. Currently my SIG wheels come in 4 different colors, and these colors might not last forever. I would suggest you get your hands on your current favorite color because once they're gone, I don't think these colors are ever coming back. The black and white though has to stay forever. That's a classic. So far I've seen, I want to say, give or take 10 wheels that have that two-tone color and a full core from all different brands. I'm not going to list the brands. It would be cool to know that those brands, like, hey, we saw your SIG wheel years back and we love the way it looks and we just want to have a wheel similar to that on our collection. So thanks for the inspiration. I feel like that's all I need. I don't need anything else. But I kind of understand why, because you don't want to, maybe they think I'll take it wrong, which, bro, I don't care. To me, I consider it inspiration. Future plan for these wheels is to make the colors limited. The black and white will stick around, but all the colors that exist right now, the teal and purple, black and teal, green and teal, once these are gone, they're kind of moving on. We're moving on from that. So if there's a wheel that you want to have or collect or just get them before they're gone, I suggest scooping them, and then from then on out, we'll probably be doing one color option at a time and limited runs only. There's a trick that I've been trying to do more again that I learned years back. It's a trick that I invented that now everybody's kind of doing again. It's just a refreshing feeling to remember this trick. I just forget a lot of tricks that I've done before, and sometimes I'm even scrolling on my own Instagram, trying to remember the stuff that I've done to help spark new ideas, like, oh wait, I did this back then, I could probably do this now. Dump truck bar spin. When I first learned this trick, I would hold the head tube. Wasn't sure of the proper way. It just came natural to me to hold the head tube. It's the old school way of doing it and still feels good for me. So remembering this trick and getting back into holding the head tube. I'm gonna check off 2 things in this video, and I know I'll get them. Is the spinning dump truck bar spin. So basically the same thing the 2 tricks we just did combined, and a fakie dump truck. I did this one a long time ago at the Globe when I used to live in New York. I was on Instagram and I saw that I did it. I was like, oh shoot, I could do that. I don't know if I can do it, but I did it. So let's see if we can do it again. There's the spin. And there's the fakie. The next 2 months I have a lot of work to do with real life. This big news that I'm going to be showing you guys very, very soon. And obviously the channel and sponsors. So the best thing you guys can do right now is support that and support the work. No matter what I'm doing, I'm going to be putting up some new sponsors and some promos, mostly on Instagram and TikTok. So those videos, when you comment on them, it does me so good. It helps the sponsors believe in me and believe that you guys support the story that I bring you guys here on the channel. So if you see anything like that, make sure to comment, show some love. It really means a lot. Commenting on sponsored promos are the biggest favor you can do. I hope you liked today's video. Looking forward to the comments who say they've seen a version of my signature wheels or wheels that have been inspired by mine. If you're looking to get some of my wheels in any of the 4 colors, that first link is in the description. And like I said, the color options are going to be limited. If you want to grab a pair of all the other colorways besides the black and white, go get them. I'll let you know. Thanks again. This was fun, and I'll see you in the next one.